Howdy, partner! Are you looking for a nice, cool pasta salad, yet one that is hearty and can satisfy a grown man? Then look no further, because this ain't Aunt Sally's dainty Italian pasta salad. This is Cowboy pasta salad, and it is one that you're sure to write home about. This pasta salad has a kick with its homemade Southwestern style dressing and fresh chopped vegetables, cheese cubes, and of course meat. It's an all-in-one meal and perfect for a day on the range or a picnic. And I'm going to show you how to make it today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. Let me shake off that accent, but the pasta salad is only as good as the dressing you put on it. This pasta salad is so flavorful because this sauce plays a large role in that, and to make that, in a blender, make your dressing by adding in 16 ounces of salsa verde. You can really adjust the heat level with the salsa that you choose for this. Lime juice from about half of a lime worth, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. And if you don't have smoked paprika, add a little shot of liquid smoke. Trust me, cowboys would approve of that. 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1 cup of mayonnaise, which really keeps this salad moist and carries the other flavors. Blend that all together and then simply set that aside while we make the rest of the salad. We need to get the hamburger cooking and the pasta boiling, so over at the stove, cook the pasta according to the directions until it is al dente. And in a large skillet over medium-high heat, brown 1 pound of ground beef, or if you prefer ground chicken or turkey, that also works great. Season that beef with a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of cumin, and break it up as it cooks for about 7 to 8 minutes. Once that's cooked, go ahead and remove it from that hot pan and put it into a bowl or some type of container. The pasta is finished cooking, and we're going to drain that and rinse that with cool water to make sure it doesn't continue to cook. Dump the cooled pasta into a large bowl and pour the dressing right onto it. Toss it a bit to make sure it's all coated. To make this the best darn cowboy pasta salad, it needs some color and some texture, and that's easy to do. What we're going to do is add in some grape or cherry tomatoes that I have halved, and I'm using about 8 ounces for that. 8 ounces of cheddar cheese that I've cut into about 1/2-inch cubes. And we're realizing this white bowl is a little too small, so into a larger bowl it goes. Then we're going to continue adding in 1 14.5-ounce can of black beans that have been rinsed and drained, 1 14.5-ounce can of corn that has been drained as well, half of a large red diced onion. The cooked chilled hamburger needs to get added in, 4 slices of cooked crumbled bacon, or add even more if you want. And then if you want to add a little more heat, slice up some jalapenos, but that is totally up to you. Chill until ready to serve and then toss to combine and get all of those ingredients coated. And then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.